When you see mountains and snow, generally you think of a field watch. You wouldn't think of a Grand Seiko, and that makes sense because field watches are known for being robust, for being simple, and of course being a bit dull or boring in my opinion. And Grand Seiko are known for the contrary. They're refined watches, perfectly finished, elegant. So who in his right mind would bring a Grand Seiko to a mountain? Yes, me. And the main reason that I brought this watch was because of the dial. I thought that since I was going to be at the top of a mountain, the dial was gonna go very well. You know, it makes sense. This is the Yunkai, the Sea of Clouds. So on top of the mountain, you were above the clouds. And of course, since it's white, it looks like snow. So the view would be perfect. Grand Seiko are great in capturing the essence of nature on their dials, which are mostly handmade. Now, Grand Seiko has been one of my favorite brands for quite a while, and I like them because they're in an if you know brand, right? Not a lot of people know, and that's exactly what I like. Some people just see Seiko and they're like, just a Seiko. No, you don't understand. So that's what I really like about this watch, that you really need to know about watches to understand how crazy these watches are, how beautiful, how well manufactured, how well finished. Some people say, you know, why would you use this watch? It's so perfectly finished. Why do you want to scratch it? And that's exactly what I like. One day, my kids will grab this watch and be like, yep, this was a watch my dad was wearing the first time we snowboarded together. And that's why we buy watches in general, because of the story they tell. Yes, of course, it has monetary value, but that doesn't mean anything. The story, how it makes you feel, is what makes this watch worth it.